Hey guys, and it's this time of the year again. Early Christmas and boxes from Apple arrived. We have 3 to unbox and we are starting with the big one. I was rocking the iPhone 12 in purple, the spring color from this year. And when I saw that the iPad mini came out also in purple, well, great, let's match the colors. So I thought, well, can't hurt to take a look at that, and I ordered one right away during the presentation still. Let's see how the color turns out to be under different lighting conditions, and is it really fitting so nicely in your hand and being a bigger screen now because of the smaller bezels, making it a completely different experience? Maybe. Let's take a look right after the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. This year iPhones come without plastic wrap, and interesting about this unboxing of the iPad mini, well, it seems to not have gotten the note. It comes plastic wrapped, so maybe it has to wait for the next update to come without. That being said, we are looking here at the base storage configuration, iPad mini in purple. Very limited, just the essential stuff in the box. Very nice that we have a charging brick, USB-C, and a cable, USB-C from the charging brick to USB-C on the iPad mini. Because this year iPad mini got the upgrade to USB-C. That's great. The stickers are white and not color matched to the actual color of the iPad mini. And then let's take a look how the color is shifting under different lighting conditions. Daylight, bright, outside in sun, in the shade, inside and under artificial LED lights. I really like how the color turns out to be. The aluminum and the not shiny glossy surface is really helping the color to shift under different lighting conditions and reduce fingerprints. Also, next to the iPhone in purple, the iPhone 12 from earlier this year, the iPad mini's purple is a way more subtle and matches more situations and more people's taste, I guess. So it is a great step up from the purple we saw earlier this year. Also, it fits great in one hand, and because of the smaller bezels and the huge upgrade from the original iPad mini design, it is now a significantly bigger screen, so the footprint is the same. However, the body to screen ratio is way more efficient, so holding it doesn't really hurt your hand. You can hold it with one hand very conveniently, but you have the bigger screen for the actual better iPad experience. It's interesting how the color shifts under different lighting conditions, and here the test in bright sunlight, it shifts from kind of silverish grayish colors right into like a lavender kind of purplish kind of color. Really interesting. And then when taking it inside in the shade, it shifts to more subtle grays and other kinds of colors again. So it's a really interesting color and maybe matches many people's taste. For me this year, definitely the best iPad color you can find. Taking a look at the color one more time under some LED lights, well, then it's shifting a little bit to be closer to the frame color of the iPhone 12 in purple, which were also aluminum, and not the glossy back, which is a different purple. So decide for yourself if that is a color for you, but if you're in the market for an iPad mini, maybe that is an interesting color pick for you to get. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content to come. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe and see you in the next one.